Oh my goodness, this is just horrible, y'all. So, I've been pretty much fasting all day. What did I have? I had a scoop of peanut butter. That's it. I'm really feeling some type of way. Trying to get healed up. My ankle. Due to the fact that I had surgery. I'm just so ready to be completely healed. I'm slowly getting back there. And they're like, oh, it's going to take a long time. But overall, you'll be happier and all this stuff. But I'm not seeing any of the benefits as of now. I haven't eaten nothing all day, so y'all don't judge me what I'm having for dinner. So I post videos on my Snapchat all the time. It's cool, but I haven't posted nothing on my YouTube lately. So what I decided to do was record a video, record my snap or whatever, and then I'll post it on my page. Because in order for me to get more followers and for y'all to follow me, y'all gotta look at me and see me. Ugh, I'm gonna have to fix that. Anyway, I made lemonade for dinner. I'm on a fast. It's not for Ramadan either. And if you would like, I'm eating ice. If you would like, you could share my page. I promise that I'm going to start making more cooking videos. I was just rebranding some things and working on some things and can't talk about it right now, but so I just wanted things to be good. I gotta change. I have a glare because I cracked my screen of my phone. So now I have a glare on there and I'll fix that. I'm contemplating eating another scoop of peanut butter. I should really get out of the kitchen. Just casually looking at food. Wishing I can have it. Kid, he can just eat whatever he wants. It's just not fair. What 21-year-old do you know that still eats this? I'll wait. Wait. That's what we doing? That's what we doing, twin? Black people live and die by their habits, but look. This one's mine. Oh my God, I love it. Some salmon croquettes. Traditional Asian noodles. The ones from the Chinese store. From the Asian market. Not La Fiesta. Or, not La Fiesta, because they be having the international on the cool. It be H-E-B. They don't have all the good ones. They have those really high ones, but that's pretty much it. Shit, I'm moving in circles. I don't know where I even put shit at. Anyway. I honestly should just go to bed. That would make life better. But then I have to take like something to go to bed because I don't really. Oh, I have insomnia. It's hard for me to sleep. I don't really sleep like that. And then when I do sleep, I don't even know I'm sleeping. I'm just gone. Okay, so I opted for a scoop of peanut butter. Dang, my lips are so big. Yeah, that's gonna do it. I'll be alright. My favorite filter, y'all. Y'all gotta try this one, ladies. On Snapchat. Y'all gotta get it. I love fuzz. Love this filter. Makes me look so exotic. My velvet wall. It's velvet. Yes. I gave a friend of mine a white one with black. I wanted the black on black though. And soon I'm actually gonna buy like 4 or 5 more, and I'm gonna create a wall, like a certain type of wall when I move that I want to be in my room that I'm gonna turn into a closet. It's gonna be very, very dark, feminine, and sexy. This stays on my wall or on my mirror, always by me. This is my Theonis. This is her collar. She passed away. She was, I think, 13 years old. She was old. I had her a long time. My son and her grew up together. She's always with me. I miss her.